Beauty of an Indian woman is beyond standards, She's beautiful in her own way, isn't it? And this song, Chandan Sa Badan Chanchal Chitwan, just describes it so beautifully. And have you seen the real word, the actual song? If you haven't, you should. Oh my God, Nutan is like Greek goddess, right? So do watch it. I'll link it for you guys to watch that song. Today we're going to learn Chandan Sa Badan Chanchal Chitwan on ukulele. It's a very, I've just tried. Of course, I'm using basic chords, and strumming pattern is also not very challenging. I'll share with you everything if you don't know it. But I can at any space, at any time, can I perfect this song, or can I make it better, or can I make it even closer to the real version, because this is a legend. Okay, so I just dare touch this song. I'm sharing with you the chords and the process of playing the song. So शुरू करते हैं चंदन सा बदन.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
So we're using the basic chords here. We just have 4 chords. We have C, the first string of the 3rd fret. Then we have A minor, the 4th string of the 2nd fret. Then we have F. Do not lose your A minor. Just take your index finger, put it on the 2nd string of the 1st fret. F. And then we have a G, which looks like a downward facing triangle, if you see there. So your index goes on the 3rd and your middle goes on the 1st string of your 2nd fret. And then you take your ring finger and put it on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This becomes G. Coming to the strumming pattern, बहुत easy है. It is down, down, up, up, down, down, down. Okay, so it goes like this: down, down, up, up, down, down, down. Okay, so let's play it on the strings. Okay, so down, down, up, down, down, down. Okay, so let's start with the song. It's very easy. We're going to start with C. Remember the strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, down, down. We're going to go slow. Alright, 1, 2, 3. My notes are here. Chandan sa badan Chandan. And then we go to A minor. So we're going to complete tasalli se ek pura ka pura strumming pattern chord mein bajao, and then move to the next chord. Okay, so Chandan sa badan chanchal chitwan dheere se tera ye muskana. One more time. Chandan sa badan chanchal chitwan dheere se tera ye muskana mujhe dosh na dena. See, jag walo mujhe dosh na dena, jag walo ho jao agar main deewana. Chandan sa badan chanchal chitwan. Now यहीं से हम लोग next paragraph उठाएंगे. It will go like this. ये काम कमाने. Now we go to G. भवे तेरी A minor. पलकों के किनारे गजरा रे. One more time. ये काम कमान भवे तेरी पलकों के किनारे गजरा रे. ओ माथे पर सिंदूरी सूरज हो, टोप दहकते अंगारे. इसके बाद साया भी तेरा जो पड़ जाए, साया भी तेरा जो पड़ जाए, आवार हो दिल का वीराना, चंदन सा बदन, चंचल चितवन. And we're done. This is the whole song. I hope you liked it. It's very easy on the chords. It's not easy to match the real song though, as I said, singing it, playing it.
Oh, so I forgot to say bye bye to you all. I will see you next time. Until then, adios, amigos and amigas.